Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. So here, as you all are aware that it is our seventh video in our daily Nabard Grade A quiz series. In this video, we will discuss two questions from two different topics. One is about IT initiatives in agriculture and in social sectors. This question is regarding IT initiatives in agriculture. And the other one is about national food security Act. Okay, I had posted these questions, I think 2 days ago in our group. Okay, so let's discuss these questions. First one is, this is a geospatial mobile and web application of Indian government for what? For geofencing of agricultural land. For what? Geofencing. See, this word, geofencing word, is continuously appearing in newspapers. Okay, so this become very important. So where geofencing is used in agriculture, this particular app is using this. Apart from that other apps are also using this. So here, what happens? This particular app uh, is used for geofencing of agricultural land and geotagging of land area and collection of baselines, land-based scheme data. Okay, which type of data it is going to collect? Land-based scheme data, the schemes which require you to possess or cultivate land. Okay. And to ensure that right beneficiaries or right benefits reaches the right beneficiary. Okay. So here the main aim of this particular app is this: right beneficiary, right benefits reaches right beneficiaries. How it is ensuring this? By geotagging and geofencing of the agricultural lands. Okay. So here what happens? An official will come to your field. Suppose this is your field. Official will come and he will have mobile in his hand and he will open this particular app, and using GPS technology, he will first geotag your land and also geofence. Geofencing is the official will exactly demarcate the area of the land. Okay, what is the area of your land? By giving the coordinates, okay, in latitude and longitudes. Okay, you know what are latitude and longitudes? You must be aware of. Okay, so this is the first thing that this app will facilitate. Okay, geotagging and geofencing. So adding latitude and longitudes to all the four corners of your land, that is geofencing, and just giving a latitude longitude of the position of the land, that is geotagging. Okay, so after doing that, what happens? The official will also record the data about land-based scheme, which means that he will record the data under which scheme this land is being covered. For example, there are some land-based scheme like our irrigation schemes. Okay, irrigation schemes to take benefit of any of the irrigation schemes like Mantri Yojana. Okay, you must possess land. Similarly, Pradhan Fasal Bima Yojana. Okay, here also you must possess land. You must cultivate the land. Okay, then only you are going to get benefit. The the official will ask you whether you are taking these benefits or not, and there are many other schemes like that. Okay, and after taking the input, he will feed all those inputs in the app. Okay, what is the benefit of that? The officials in the government ministries, they will be able to track that this land is covered in this particular scheme and this particular scheme, but here there are some other schemes under which this land has not been covered. So the customized scheme will be messaged via text to the farmer that yes, you are eligible for these schemes also, but you have not taken the benefits of this. This is one of the reason, one of the benefit. The major benefit of this is this: right benefit reaches right beneficiaries. Here, when you geotag a land and also feed the land-based scheme data into that, okay, this means that the benefit of the scheme cannot be duplicated on the same land. Okay, so this is they are reducing the duplication, which means that sometimes it happens in government scheme mostly. there are some eligible farmers who are eligible to take benefit of the particular scheme, but they don't get benefit. But there are some people who don't own land and they are not eligible, they are getting benefits. Okay, they are bogus beneficiaries. Okay, these kind of things can be eliminated. Okay, so this app ensures right benefit to the right beneficiaries, and also communication of the benefit which are not being availed by the farmer due to lack of awareness, or there might be some other reasons. Okay, this is going to greatly help in policy planning to the government. What is the name of this app? The name of this app is A. Krishi Mapper is the answer for this question. Okay. Let's discuss about other also. Upage app. What is the benefit of this Upage app? The name Upage, from this name, we can the picture that comes on our mind is that this app must be dealing with taking the crop production estimation, Upage. But it is not like that. Upage means unified, this full form is important, unified portal for agricultural statistics. Unified portal for agricultural statistics. So what are all the information that are collected by this app? One is, yeah, this app here, we are not, nobody is feeding any data. It is automatically taking information from other apps. For example, from crop estimation surveys, okay? Crop estimation surveys, which means that yield data, it will take from the respective source, okay? Like our data from finance ministry, okay? Data from weather department, okay? Data from import export, okay? All these data it will take regarding all the different crops that are being grown in the country. And after analyzing everything, this app will give a summary of market trend. From ENAM also it will take, okay. From APEDA also it will take data, okay. It will give us the market trend in a summarized way, okay, for wheat crop, for any other crop, okay, in which you want to receive the information on a real-time basis. On a real-time basis, okay. Suppose this is May 2024. It will give the data till April 2024. What was the market trend in April, and what is going to be, what is the most likely future trend of this? Okay, so the farmers can also get all the information. They can decide which type of crops they need to grow in the coming season, and the traders, it is beneficial for the traders also. Okay, so this is about the entire statistical data about the particular crops will be provided here. Okay. Other app is Bhasini. Bhasini is also very important app, but this is not related with agriculture. This is related with our ESI issue, economic and social issue segment of Nabard syllabus. Bhasini is the National Language Technology Mission of Government of India, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Here what happens, this app is used to convert the text or voice of any language to any of the Indian language. Okay, you feed the information in any language and you ask this app to convert in any of the Indian local language, it will do. The basic purpose of this app is to reduce the language barrier among the citizens, and also to impart or to make it easier to impart education in mother tongue. Okay. Okay, this is the one of the major policy of the national education policy also. We should strive to give at least the basic education and also strive for higher education in the mother tongue. Okay, so that is these are the purpose that will be solved. There is a conversation with using this app only, you can converse with the other people, with your teacher. You speak in your language, that will be translated to the language which your teacher understand. And when the teacher speaks in his language, that will be automatically translated to the language which you understand. Okay, so you can also download and use this app. Okay, the third one is, so this is related with ESI, economic and social issues. Okay, the third one is GCES. Actually, it is DGCES. DGCES. It means Digital General Crop Estimation Survey. Let me explain this also. This is also important. Digital General Crop Estimation Survey. Crop estimation. Crop estimation means finding out the produce or the production of a particular crop in our country in particular season. Okay, these are done by crop cutting experiments. Okay, the officials go into some selected fields, sample fields. Okay, when that particular crop is being harvested, and they record the area and the production from that particular sample area. Okay, and then taking all the data from all the states, central government releases the advanced estimates and final estimates. Okay, all these process, first collecting data, and that data will be compiled by the state, and the state will send that data to the center, and center will again compile and then publish. Okay, all this takes time. Okay, so but here in Digital General Crop Estimation Survey, what happens? Everything becomes real time. Real time. What happens? On field, the same thing is happening, but data feeding will be on the app. Okay, and also there will be geotagging of the field in which crop cutting experiment is being taken out. So here, more accuracy can be achieved, and also the data will be real time data. Okay, so this is what will be done using this particular IT initiative. The other one is UFSI. This is the most important, and this has not been launched right now, but it will be launched in future. The UFSI means Unified Farmer Service Interface. Okay, in the third video, I had explained about Aishman Digital Bharat Abhiyan. Here we had discussed about Unified Health Interface, UHI. Okay, and I had told you that how it is similar to UPI, Unified Payment Interface, that we use on a regular basis. Okay, what these apps do, they make it possible for the different apps to interact with each other. Okay, by using this technology only, UPI makes it possible for your app to interact with, for your bank account to interact with the bank account of any of the bank in India. So therefore, it becomes seamlessly easy for transferring money from one account to another account. Similarly, in UHI, we have discussed Unified Health. All the doctors, all the health facilities, and all the patient will be linked together through this particular. Here also, UFSI, Unified Farmer Service Interface. Here also, this all the stakeholders which are related with farming or the benefit of farmer, whether it's government institution, private institution, NGOs, insurance, everything will be linked with each other. They will be interact with each other in a seamless manner and giving the desired product to the farmer. Okay, this particular Unified Farmer Service Interface is part of digital public infrastructure in agriculture. Okay, digital public infrastructure in agriculture. Okay, this particular mission is going on since 2021-22, and every year in budget, finance minister discuss about it. Okay, so this is a very important scheme. Digital public infrastructure is a very important topic to discuss, and we will be discussing this through. You will face questions regarding that also. Okay, at that time we will discuss all the facets of this. Okay. So moving on to the next question. Next question is a repeated question. I have posted these questions many times in our group, and in none of uh, the occasion, all of you gave me the correct answer. Okay. The correct answer for this question is A, 0. Currently, it is being available free of cost. Read the question. Price at which government provides wheat under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. PMGKAY. This was launched in which year? During the COVID pandemic. In, I think, 2020. 2020. Okay. So initially, this Yojana used to provide 5 kg free ration to all the beneficiaries of National Food Security Act. Okay. 5 kg free ration. National Food Security Act provides rice at 3 rupees per kg, wheat at 2 rupees per kg, and coarse grain means millets at 1 rupees per kg. Okay, this. But under the scheme, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, out of the total food grain that is provided under this scheme, out of that, 5 kg extra will be provided free of cost. Okay. But from 1st January 2023, this date is important. Okay, government said that under this scheme only, we will provide all the benefits of National Food Security Act. Okay, all the food grains that is being provided under National Food Security Act free of cost. Free of cost. Whether it's wheat, rice, coarse grain, all free of cost. So here, the answer becomes 0. Okay, and this will continue till 31st December. This date is also important. 31st December 2028. Okay, till 31st December 2028, all the beneficiaries who earlier used to pay some amount to get their entitled ration. Okay, all those food grains will now be available to all those beneficiaries at free of cost at 0 rupees per kg. Okay, so this is the answer till 31st December 2028, unless a new government forms and some changes happens. We don't know. But till then, the government has decided that 31st December 2028, till then, we will provide free of cost. Okay, so what are the benefits under the National Food Security Act? Let's discuss this a little bit. NFSA, National Food Security Act, was launched in 2013, was passed by the Parliament in 2013, and was exact date, if you want to know. Yes, exact date is important. Any question from anywhere from the National Food Security Act can be asked in your Nabard examination. Okay, this is one of the flagship scheme. This is act, but we read it like a scheme. Okay. So here on 10th September 2013, it became an act because President of India signed on this act. Okay. This is the date on which, when the question is asked like that, when the president has signed or when it was passed by the parliament. In both the cases, this is the correct answer. When it is asked that when this act became operational, then the date is 5th July 2013. Okay, from earlier date. Okay, from retrospect, this particular act was in force. Okay. So what are the benefits? There are 4 kinds of beneficiaries under this act. One is priority household. Another one is Antodhya Anna Yojana households. Third one is pregnant and lactating women. And the fourth one is children up to 14 years. These are the 4 beneficiaries. Okay. First, let's discuss about these 2. Children under 14 years, there are 2 categories. Children under 6 years and children from 6 to 14 years. Okay. Children from 6 months 6 month to 6 year. Okay, there are two categories. Below 6 month, government promotes breastfeeding. Okay, so for these children from Anganwadi, local Anganwadi Kendras, they will get all the meals they require for their growth and development free of cost. It's a 0 rupees, zero, free. For these children from 6 to 14 years, they will get one midday meal. Midday meal in their school, one midday meal at free of cost. Here also cost is 0. Okay, this is over. This is the benefit for children. For pregnant and lactating women, what is the benefit under this act? First is during their pregnancy and lactation period, they will get rupees 6,000 as monetary benefit. Plus, they will get all the meals, all meal they require for during their pregnancy. Okay, whatever calorie and protein is required, on that basis, they will get all the meals from Anganwadi, local Anganwadi. At what price? At free of cost. Okay, so all these two categories, everything is free of cost, whatever entitlements are being given here. Let us move on to here. The people who have to pay. For priority household, this is for all the women. Okay, this is for all the children. Okay, except for income tax payer, government official, all these things. Okay. So here, priority household, these priority household will be selected based on the census, based on their economic status, that is being fed, or that is the data is collected from the census 2011. Okay, who will be the eligible beneficiary? That is decided by state government. Okay, what benefits they will get? They will get 5 kg of food grain per person per household. Okay, in a family, how many people are there? Okay, according to that, they will get 5 kg of food grain per person per household. At what rate? The rate I told you, for rice, 1 rupees, 3 rupees, for wheat, 2 rupees, for coarse grain means cereals, 1 rupees. Any combination of these. Okay, total has to be 5 kg. Any combination of these. Okay, so total they will get at this rate, but right now they are getting this for free. Okay, for Antodhya Anna Yojana beneficiaries, Antodhya Anna Yojana, these are the people who are they are the most downtrodden people in our country. They are the most poor people. For their benefit, a scheme Antodhya Anna Yojana was launched in 2000. Okay, and all the beneficiaries of Antodhya Anna Yojana, they will get per family, per household, 35 kg of food grains. Okay, food grain means this: rice, wheat, or millets, coarse grain. Okay, any combination of these. Okay, at the same rate. Okay, so this is the benefit of this National Food Security Act, different kind of beneficiaries and the benefit. Okay, I think that now this particular thing has become more clear to all of you, and the next time when I ask question, you will give the correct answer. Okay, so that's all from my side in this video. We'll meet soon with the next video and we'll solve some more important objectives regarding. So friends, all the best to all of you. I'm ending this video now.